Hi guys, it's Colette, and for day 7 of my 12 Days of Christmas nail art, we're going to be working on this glitter waterfall. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal preference. For my base color today, I'm going to be using OPI Alpine Snow. You can use whichever white cream you prefer. I have 6 different colors of small glitter that I'm going to be using for this waterfall. They each have their own little lid where I have some spilled out, and I'm going to be using an orange stick to pick them up, and I'm going to be using a little bit of Zoya's top coat to apply them. I didn't want a top coat that dried too quickly because if it dries, then you obviously won't be able to apply the glitters. But I'm just going to start out painting some on just part of the nail, and then going ahead and start to build the waterfall with glitter. Finally, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and today I'm using Holo Taco Super Glossy Taco. So here's the finished manicure, and I really love how this turned out. I was initially going to be doing a glitter placement snowflake design, but then right before I started, I decided to go with a waterfall, and I really just love how this turned out. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this, it will be up here on YouTube shortly. If you'd like to join me live, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP, and I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one down in the comments. If you enjoyed, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up, and of course, as always, thanks for watching.